Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 81, Month. So this video presents another puzzle and it requires you to use your lateral thinking skills. And let's see how you go with this one. This is very interesting, I think, as most of them have been. I am thinking of a month of the year. It starts with a vowel and the first two letters appear in the periodic table for chemistry. What month is it? A clue will be given on the next slide. So see how you go with it. It's a little bit interesting. In fact, I think it's quite interesting. So think about it, and I will give you a clue in about 2 minutes' time. So see if you can solve it before the clue comes up. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. Let's see how you went. So there is the puzzle up there, same as I mentioned earlier. And the clue is gold. So that's all I'll say. The clue is gold. And I will give you the answer in exactly 1 minute. Good luck with it if you haven't already got it. Okay, as promised, here is your answer. Let's see how you went. So the answer is August. And you might say, why is that the case? Well, the month starts with a vowel, and the first two letters appear in the periodic table for chemistry. AU is the symbol for gold. So the clue I gave you was gold. So AU is the symbol for gold. So the only month that satisfies those conditions is August. I hope you really enjoyed that one, and I'll give you some more tomorrow. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there straight away.